This AEG SteamBake electric steam oven comes specially recommended by Currys experts. So let's take a look and see what this can do. This oven uses steam to give you great results. So just add up to 250 ml of cold water to the bottom of the oven before you turn it on. Set the function on the dials and press this steam button here before beginning the baking process to give your doughs a crispy crust and soft centre, perfect for your next baking session. You can also use this SteamBake technology to roast juicy chicken without hassle, as it keeps your food moist and stops it from drying out while it cooks. It's really easy to get the perfect temperature thanks to the food sensor. This lets you measure the core temperature from the centre of the dish whilst it's cooking, keeping you in the know so you never overcook or undercook your food again. This precise temperature reading also means that it's easier than ever to get consistent results every single time. The surround cook feature evenly circulates air throughout the oven cavity, heating it up faster and giving you consistent and even results whatever you're cooking. This helps to save you both time and energy too, as it means that cooking temperatures can be reduced by up to 20%. So your meals will be ready quicker and you'll be using less energy. It's a win-win. If you'd like more info about this AEG oven, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.